Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the 24K Gold Eye Mask. Experience the epitome of luxury with the 24K Gold Eye Mask. This box includes 30 pairs of under-eye gel pads that are enriched with collagen and vitamins to support noticeable and long-lasting results. Eye patches are individually packaged for the best hygiene practice and can be placed in the fridge before use for an added cooling effect. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this mask provides instant hydration, reducing puffiness, the appearance of wrinkles, and it diminishes dark circles. Elevate your skincare routine and indulge in a treatment fit for royalty. Pamper yourself with the rejuvenating power of 24K Gold Eye Mask and reveal a brighter, more youthful you. Treat your skin to the best and feel the golden difference with every application. So how exactly do you use it? You want to start on clean, dry skin, no moisturizers and no makeup. Place the patches gently under the eye area and let them sit for 20 minutes. Afterwards, remove the eye gel patches and rub in the excess moisture. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.